How's it going? Hey, welcome back to the Great North. Welcome to a quick lawn tip vid. Today we're just going to be looking at how to mow a wet overgrown lawn. So for those of you like me that live in either southern Ontario or anywhere in the eastern United States, you know that we've been getting hammered by thunderstorms and rain. In this week alone, we've had 2 inches of rain. We've had about the amount of rain that we should get in the month of July every week for the last 3 weeks. And this is having a great impact on our lawns. Our lawns look awesome for mid-July. This is a mid-July southern Ontario lawn right here. Nice and green, nice and lush. However, the problem is if you can't keep on top of this, which is basically impossible with the amount it's raining, it becomes overgrown and hard to mow. Even though it's raining, just be happy that your lawn looks good. So when your lawn becomes overgrown, you definitely have to get on there and get a mow. So here's a couple of my suggestions about how to mow an overgrown lawn. First of all, if your lawn is overgrown, what you're going to do is go to your lawnmower, lift it up to the highest setting possible. You want to try to get a cut on this that's going to minimize the amount of clumping. Now, what is clumping? Clumping is when the lawn clippings that are wet get stuck underneath the mower and leave discharges like this in the lawn. This is from an overgrown mow a couple days ago, and as you can see, the risks of clumping is when we look in here, this clump has smothered out this area of the lawn, and this is why you do not want clumping as an issue. Now, if you can bag, definitely suggest bagging your clippings for this overgrown mow. It will prevent that clumping issue, will prevent those other problems in your lawn, will help keep things tidy, and then you can dispose of those clippings at a later date. So number 1, raise your mower to the highest setting. Number 2, bag your clippings, then just go for it. Bag all those clippings, throw that all away, complete that mow. Final thing you can do, if you would like to lower your lawn a bit lower than the highest setting in your lawn, which is only 4 inches, you could drop it down to maybe 3.75 and do a second mow, no bagging this time, mulch it back in. This will give your lawn a lot more tidier and cleaner look, as you've done a double cut, so your lawn should look a lot cleaner and tidier. Anyways guys, that's how you do a mow on an overgrown lawn in a rainy summer like we've had here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Definitely subscribe if you're new here. We got full fall renovation lawn guides coming out very soon. In the Great North, my name is Wimmer. As always, keep it green.